How to poke someone on Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find the Pokes feature and send a poke to anyone on your friends list. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on See More to expand the full list of options. At this point, browse through the list and tap on Pokes to open the Pokes page. In the next step, you'll see a list of suggested friends, along with anyone you've previously poked. Following this, find the person you want to poke and tap the Poke button right next to their name to send it instantly. Once done, if you don't see the person you're looking for, tap the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. From here, type in the name of the person you want to poke and wait for the results to come up. Finally, once you find them, tap Poke next to their name, and they'll get a notification letting them know you poked them. And that's it. If this guide helped you poke someone on Facebook on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.